Chief Meteorologist Scott Padgett. If you missed the top of the show, so we're done for the night. We quiet now?
We're quiet. We have some rain that's around, but pretty quiet for tonight, Doug. And then into tomorrow, more rain back into the forecast, and the flooding concern is there. We have some video to show you of a lot of the heavy rain in Denton from earlier today. This is Denton Airport, and you can also maybe hear there on the video that we have here of the rain. Those at some point, the outdoor warning sirens were going off. You kind of hear that in the distance, but a lot of rain falling today with these storms that move through parts of North Texas, and we still have an aerial flood advisory in effect for the north sides of Denton County and the northwest sides of Conley County until 10:30 because of the rain that fell over a short amount of time. And looking at the radar right now, a couple of spotty showers holding together in the east and northeast sides of Conley County, a little bit of pockets of some heavier rain. A lot of the activity now over the state line in southern Oklahoma, but we saw a lot of rain over a short amount of time. And here's the storm total rainfall through about 3 to 6 hours, and in some spots 2 to near 3.5 inches of rain, especially in that area that right now has the aerial flood advisory. So that's what we're looking at, and as we go through the remainder of the night tonight, not a whole lot happening. Those were the storms that worked their way to the northeast. The dry line was in place and now just kind of fizzling out just a bit more. So we're watching for the potential of some flooding over the next probably 36 hours. I want to point out, though, the tornado watch has been shaved off just a bit. Just our Red River counties now continuing with the tornado watch until 11 o'clock. But the flash flood watch is there through the remainder of the night tonight, all through tomorrow until Thursday morning. Let's look at the future sky forecast, and we have the potential to see maybe some storms redevelop on some outflow boundaries in southern Oklahoma, work their way down to the southeast into the early morning hours, still over the Red River, over the state line, but then work their way north to south, possibly get here late in the morning to near midday. But also seeing another complex of storms developing down to the southwest, kind of meeting up with that boundary. So there's the potential of some strong to possibly borderline severe storms late in the morning hours into the early afternoon. Then another complex of storms develops as well for the drive on home, and with this maybe some flooding rains as well. But the risk is there that we could see maybe some gusty winds, maybe some small hail. There's a slight risk of severe storms in the forecast, maybe that localized flooding, hail of maybe a quarter size or larger, winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour are possible. So not as high of a tornado threat, but still something we'll keep our eyes on, but definitely keeping our eyes on the potential of flooding until 7 o'clock Thursday morning. You see all the counties indicated in green. We could see another 2 to 3 inches of rain in some localized spots. So here we go through tomorrow into tomorrow night, and this area picking up maybe on a little bit more rain in some localized spots. You're seeing some of the numbers popping up just a bit more near Gainesville, 1.29 inches. I'm thinking another maybe 1.5 inches to even some localized areas of 3 inches of rain in the forecast. We still have a lot of rain, though, still forecasted for us. Thursday, rain chances sitting at 40%, 80 degrees will be your high. On Friday, rain chances at 50%, rounding out the week. So a 50-50 shot for us. Frontal boundaries going to stall out, kind of hang out just a little bit. Some leftover rain possible on Saturday at a 20% chance. It's not going to be a washout for your day. You'll see that mix of sun and cloud. 78 degrees will be your high temperature. Sunday is your best weekend day. Right now, I'm keeping rain out of the forecast for Sunday. We're going to see some dry air try to settle its way on in. And it's going to be short-lived, though, because going into next week, we have rain chances back into the forecast. Monday sitting at a 50% chance, and then Tuesday at a 40% chance. So a wet pattern developing, but thankfully this weekend we'll see some sunshine.